I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Frontier rear bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Next, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for your lights or sensors, usually found behind the bumper. Finally, remove your license plate and its mounting bracket to access hidden fasteners. Taking these initial steps ensures a smoother process. Now, let's move on to detaching the main components. You'll need to locate and remove the primary bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame, often found underneath or inside the wheel wells. After that, carefully detach any remaining clips or fasteners that hold the bumper cover in place. It's a good idea to have a friend or helper ready to support the bumper as it becomes loose, preventing any accidental drops or damage. With all fasteners removed, you can now gently pull the entire bumper assembly away from your Nissan Frontier. Take your time and ensure no wires are still connected. Once it's off, take a moment to inspect the mounting points on your truck for any signs of damage, rust, or corrosion that might need attention. Finally, store the bumper in a safe place where it won't get scratched or dented, especially if you plan to reinstall it later. Before reinstalling your bumper, it's a great idea to thoroughly clean the area where it mounts, removing any dirt or debris. This also provides an opportunity to consider replacing any worn clips or rusted bolts for a more secure fit. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. For a quick and easy fix, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.